Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can download and install Aramex app on your iPhone. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your app store on your phone. So after opening the app store, what you're going to do is tap on the search icon right here. And after tapping on search icon, now tap on the search bar right here and start typing Aramex. After you've typed that down, now tap on the search button on your keyboard. And in here, you can see this is the Aramex app in here. Tap on it. So after tapping on it, you will be able to see the option of get right here. Currently, it is a cloud-like icon on my phone because I have already previously downloaded on my phone and I deleted the app. So simply just tap on get and then it will ask for your Face ID or your Apple account password. So simply type down your password or simply double click on the power button and then download with your Face ID. So after all that, just like this, you can see the download process has begun. And just like this, here you can see the download and installation has been completed and there is the option of open. Simply tap on it in order to open Aramex app on your iPhone. Just like this, you can see Aramex app has been opened on your phone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.